not helping you at the moment. It's all you.
It's all you.
Let's see if you can jump off the stair area here, Barkley. Ready, Barkley? She's going to make you jump. Drop it. Drop it to her. Drop it. Good boy, Barkley. That's good. He's kind of jumping, and that's good.
Yeah.
You're keen, Barkley. This is looking good. Yay, Barkley. Good boy. What a good boy you are, eh? Yeah. You got this kind of figured out. No longer should Barkley act like a scared. He is a smart dog. Smart dogs can be difficult, too, because they are smart. Good boy, Barkley. What a good boy. He's come a long way in these few weeks. Come on, Bark. Good boy. Bring it back, Barkley. Come on, bring it back. What a good boy. You're good. That was very good for you. He's a good boy. He says, can we go again and again and again and again? Now he's got the idea he kind of wants to do this again and again. It is good. That's good. You say thanks, Sherry. That's right. Good boy, Barkley. Barkley, look here. Bark. Hi. Dad and Mom and Dad? Yeah. Father's Day and all that, Barkley. This is what you're doing for Father's Day. Learning to swim better. A Father's Day swim. That's right. But soon enough, you'll be swimming with your Mom and Dad, Barkley. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, buddy. You on a break? Okay. Good boy, Bart. Good boy. He says, yeah, I'm on a break. Oh, I'm going to go again. Whoa, I jump in for it. Barkley, you're Mr. Confident now. Woo, good boy. He's learning to turn with that big tail of his, too. He's got a good tail as a rudder, eh? Look at the length of it. But see, his tail's almost up. That's good. His back's almost up on his own. He's learning. It's getting there.
It's harder for him.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't know when we can take the neck off and it'll drop his head a bit, and then maybe I don't know.
Yeah, I would for now. Just keep it
Just keep me confident, yeah. So we don't